Amazing. Try saying hello.
Paano yung hawak ang bit? Like this?
Hi guys! Good morning.
No, ganyan lang.
Ay, mag-tiktok sila ni mami niya. Ayan o. Dito kami ngayon sa Hammersmith. Waiting for my mother. To celebrate kami ng Mother's Day here in UK. Let's find out guys. Ayan. Si Jewel mag-tiktok.
Down. Down.
Ang kulit mo, kinako. Hawak mo ang bit. Okay guys, see you guys.
Kinakain siya.
Yummy barbecue, Filipino barbecue.
Wala masarap?
We are here at the Filipino restaurant. You everyone speak Tagalog again.
Okay na galing.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Have the vlog stop.
Yes. Okay, go.
Hello guys, welcome to our
Vlog.
vlog. We are
Very sunny, no?
going to find Babu.
Wait for Babu.
I'm going to the restaurant.
Yeah.
I'm going to the restaurant with Babu.
Yes.
And then
Okay.
we just talked to someone.
Okay. Good.
And then let's see if Babu's there.
Okay. See you guys. See you
Mamaya,
later.
Babu.
See you guys. Balikan namin kayo, yeah? Oh, see you muna. Hi muna.
Doggy. Hi, welcome. Nahulog yun happy ko. And there's many people there.
Mami, oh. Hi.
And maybe
Happy
Babu
Saturday,
is
guys.
in here, so maybe Babu is in here somewhere. And
Oh, let's go.
we are going to another restaurant together.
Yes.
And then that's all for today's video. But
See you
it's not
guys.
the end. I just say that every
Okay.
time, I think.
See you guys.
And let's
Oh, wait,
see
naman.
where's Babu around.
Yeah. See you guys. Balik namin kayo, yeah?
Daddy.
Let's go. Where are you guys? Ayan.
Ganyan tayo sa loob ng ito.
Yeah. Oh, let's go. So, meron dito sa loob. Oh.
Last week I bought this from Kenji.
Galing.
It's actually my keychain, but I don't know if it's a toy. So
See you.
yeah, let's just wander around here and then let's play.
Hey. Oh, ano yan? Yes. Ano yan?
Picturing during
Hinto yung dalawa. TikTok pa more.
Pag sabi ko, sa baba ko na yung hand. Okay, wow. Sa baba ko, sabi ko taas-taas. Okay? Smile lang, smile. Dance. Dance lang. Taas. Baba. Taas. Kembot. Fuck you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay. Dapat
Saan? Kakasikipin, no? Pero ang gagawin natin, bigat-bigat to. Oh, may ano rito. Ha?
Hello.
Again.
I'm just wondering.
What's that?
Potions.
Cushions.
Let's go to the
Mano yan, anak? Madali masira yan.
Mommy, Daddy, I want to go now.
Ang ganda rito na.
Hey!
Hello.
I'm a monkey face. Look! Hey, oh!
Kasi tinitingin namin kami ng
I brought these because I like to go.
To buy them.
No, this.
Sama ako. Ayun. Lalagay sa lights. At dito pala dapat ilagay sa lights. Ayun.
Mommy, why do you put
Ah, Joel, halika dito. Tingnan.
Ito.
Na, normal.
Dito ilagay
Dad,
sa
why
lights.
are you throwing water bottle now?
Where?
Halika po mag-picture tayo. Ah, Joel.
Why do you put?
Ah, Joel, dito. Saan ba dito?
Hey.
Ano ginagawa mo? Tagal kasi ni Mami.
Hello, tagal naman si mami ko kasi naman huy yun.
Hello, Kitty.
Tagal ni Babu, kamo.
Tagal
Gutom na.
naman si Babu for
Gutom na.
Mother's Day tomorrow.
Yeah, gutom na kami. Gutom na raw kami.
Daddy, I wanna buy food.
Tell Mami.
No, it's a secret. I wanna buy this because
Inantay namin si Mama.
look.
Bali may inayos lang siya. Sabay-sabay na kami kakain. Dito kami sa Tiki Max. Yeah. Inantay namin si Mama. After this, kain na. See you guys. See you later.
Are we going to the restaurant?
Long hair, dito
Yeah.
Filipino store. Ha? Jollibee na lang tayo. Gusto mo dyan, Jollibee na lang tayo. Mas gusto ko pa, wala naman pala ano. Oo.
Tayo.
Yeah, Jollibee na lang tayo, ha? Gusto na lang, Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Maganda ang barbecue doon.
Oh, please. I wanna go to Jollibee. I wanna go
Ano?
to Jollibee.
Ayaw daw ni Mami sa Jollibee, sana lang tayo,
I want
Filipinos.
to go to Jollibee.
Sa may ano? Sa may...
Barbecue daw.
Oh.
Kaya nga.
No, I wanna go to Jollibee.
Ayaw.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. Sarado daw eh.
Remember yung sa ano sa...
Nagaya mo Jollibee.
Hindi na kumakain.
Kaya nga, doon sa potato corner.
No.
Ay, naku anak. Mami mo susunod kasi.
Guys, we are going to
Kasi magkipag-chismisan yan doon.
Jollibee.
Ano sabi mo?
We are going to Jollibee.
Ay, parang pila din. Di ba may pila din? Barbecue kay Jewel, oh. Abe.
Hey, this is
No, it's not for you. It's spicy. Kay Mami yan.
You can eat sa kami.
Oh, thank you. Salamat. Bangos. Mag-ingat kayo sa ano. Sarap, eh. O, di ba mas open dito sa Jollibee? Di ba?
Yan ang laging kinakain dyan.
yummy barbecue, Filipino barbecue.
Wala masarap?
We are here at the Filipino restaurant. Everyone speak Tagalog again.
Okay na, darling. Okay na, daddy.
Bye bye, pig. No, please. No.
Galit.
Ayaw.
Sarap, sarap. Sarap, di ba?
You wanna try this?
Look at that. Mainit pa.
You wanna try this? Mamaya, mainit pa. Mainit pa.
Sarap guys, sarap. Sarap. 31 na, busog na. Okay na, okay na. Halo. Halo, sarap.
Yeah.
Wala na. Lak. Sige mo ay, uwi na tayo.
No.
Siyempre, sa tayo.
I wanna go to the park.
Which farm?
Jewel Park?
Yung farm. Okay, kasama ano no? Complete lang yan. Mamaya, mag-park daw. Pwede lang park doon kasi wala ano.
Salamat po.
See you guys.
Salamat po sa nood. Hello guys. Thank you for watching our video. Salamat po sa'yo. 6, 7.
See you guys.
Bye-bye.
Sabag niya.
Tweet,
Pasok na tayo sa ano, sa may...
no, tweet, tweet.
Magano tayo, park muna tayo saglit. Bago umakyat ng bahay. Ayan, si Jewel. Si Mama Sang. Let's go guys. Ano, park na. Tara. Mag-tiktok daw sila. Go, go. La. Wala na. Doon na tayo. Tara na. Let's go. Ayan o. O mag-ano ka rito, Be? O mag-play dito. O mag-play ka doon, dali.
Akin na yung bag mo. Your bag is fine.
Okay.
Here you go.
Okay, go. Mag-park muna tayo saglit bago umakyat sa bahay. Wala yun. Ha? Asan ka ba? Dyan ba? Okay. Go. Whoop. Wow. Op. Nahulog pa. From the top. Oh, be careful. Ano ba yan? Focus. Yan. Yes. Balance. Point. Go. Oh, sige. Okay, after that. Siguro marunong ka na dito, no? Alone. Ang ganda. Dito close, ang dami, oh. Kaya lang maputik dito, eh. Ayan, may flowers, oh. Ayan, oh. Cherry blossoms. Kaya lang, ano na yan. Pawala na. Oo. Go, Jewel! Go, Jewel! Mabilis, ah. So fast. Bilis. Bigger ka lang kasi, kaya kaano na. Doon sa kabila. Dito. Ano ba yan? Okay. Baby pa kasi ito, eh. Doon, diretso na dyan. Sige. Dito ka na. Why are you scared? I'm here. Di ba?
Let's not use that one.
Yeah.
That is quite long.
Quite long. Doon. Go. Okay. Here. It's right. Sige na. Come on, bro.
I'm scared, bro.
Oh, yan, hawak ko. Oh. Okay na. Ayun, nabalik ko. Punta na dun. Oh, kaya mo na yan.
Whoop.
Okay na yan. Punta kay mami. Let's go. Oh, motor. Ito kay mami.
Use this sound.
Gising na, tara na, araw ay masaya.
Taas mo kamay, taas kamay.
Camera,
Yeah.
mama, papa,
Hawak mo ang beat.
sa bawat lakad, saya
Ah, dito pala yung ano.
kasama.
Oh, tingin kayo.
Kahit
Dito pala. Maganda.
tayo mapunta, may kwento, may
Pagdala ko.
I'm going to the up.
sa juwa-tsaga, sama-sama
Tingnan mo.
travel bonding, saya
Mommy's doing her some.
Yeah.
kahit saan, mapanbahay.
Dalawa kayo doon, sige na. Dalawa kayo na.
Love, walang katulad.
Dalawa kayo doon para makakano. O, dalawa kayo ni mami dyan. Kasya kayo. Oh, lamig na. Oh, ano? Masabi. Sino masabi ka sa ating tatlo? Dalawa. Daddy, Daddy versus dalawa. Mabigat kayo. Oh, di ba? Oh, di ba ito pa? Kayo. Lamig. Okay. Ganda ng panahon. Ganda ng panahon. Okay
Ah,
naman.
sino yun? Hi! Hi! Sino yun? Sino yun?
Hello, Sing.
May doon may papi na pala si Chloe, oh. Ah, si Charlie. Nakikita si Chloe, may papi. Saan? Uy, nagalit sa'yo, taloy. Oh, bihim kasi, Jewel.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, it's a girl.
Ano, what's the name?
Charlie.
Charlie. Oh,
Charlie.
hi Charlie.
Ay, ano yung pupo?
Pampupo ko.
Araw ay masaya. Bit-bit ang ngiti.
Yan oh. May kalaro na si Jewel. Nakita si Chloe. Tsaka si Jewel. Say hi muna, Ate Chloe. Say hi muna sa vlog. Come here. Oh.
Vlog again.
Yes.
Every time I come to visit, vlog again.
Of course. No? Napanood mo ba yung video natin?
Huh?
Napanood mo? Did you watch our video?
Yeah.
That's
Always.
good. Always, no? Oh, be careful, guys. No? Ay, naglalaro sila.
I'm going.
Ha? Go, dalawa kayo.
Wait.
Ready?
Okay, yan na.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go!
Amazing.
Bye-bye, vlog. Thank you for watching for our channel. Subscribe, hit the notification, and like so we can hit 50 mil or something.
Thank you, Chloe. See you guys.
And give us more subscribers because I only see 10, 1, that's it.
That's Thank you guys. See you guys.
Yeah, just